To add a new package, the user must first log into the admin role or the super admin role. Once logged in, the user heads towards the Package tab and selects on Add Package. The user then fills up the necessary information such as package name. In this example, we will be naming this package Level 4 and the amount to be 168. Next, the user is able to choose from 4 different types of packages. Firstly is by term. The user can determine how long a term is, for example, 3 months. By using this term package, the invoice will only be automatically generated after every 3 months. Secondly is the monthly package. This is more common for tuition centers where the students are required to pay their fees on a monthly basis. Hence, by choosing this package, the invoice will be generated every month. Thirdly is the credits package. This is commonly seen in swimming classes or dance lessons where the fees paid is either for 10 lessons or 15 lessons, for example. With this package, the user can also choose if there is an expiration date for the lessons to be used up. The final option is universal credits. The difference between credits and universal credits is that the credits can only be used for a specific lesson, while universal credits can be used for any lessons that is provided in the center. Once the user is done, the user clicks on Save and the package is registered.